We're gonna learn about events in DOM. So this is the introduction to events. Now you might be asking, what is the events? So events is really very important concepts when creating websites. So right now, from all the things we have learned, you can build a website, but it's not very dynamic. Like you can click on something. Yes, you can select it, but how are you even gonna select it, or are you just gonna select it first, right? Right now we don't have a way to actually call stuff, and that is what events gives you. Events is, see, as I hover over this icon, you see this little thing is coming up here. See, this one is our displaying. This is events. So this one is most over. It can be implemented in CSS sometimes, but this is JavaScript. You see how it's moving? Events. But also events is when you scroll the page. So look, so here it says you're all caught up, but look what happens when I scroll. You see this whole thing just showed up out of nowhere. That is events, right? That's events. But also events is actually clicking on it. So if I click on that, that is event, right? It's a click event. We will learn more about it. Another one is not just hovering, but also you see that thing little there is displayed. So it says basically when your mouse is over the card, then display that. So basically show that. But as we go down, you can see here. But also it's this one, right? This functionality of being able to click it and move it. It's also being able to actually move around here, right? Because actually these are not, right? We're not going to a whole new website every time we click on this, right? This functionality, also this one right here, right? By clicking on this and getting these properties, that right there, that's a JavaScript, right? And especially it's the DOM, it's using the click the most over, it's using the combination of all of this to make it work. So events are basically like that, and we're gonna learn how to actually add events in the next video. See you then.